Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca. If you are new here, if you are returning, then welcome back. Today's video is going to be kind of a bit of a berry kind of smoky eye look. I'm just kind of feeling doing a bit of a pop of colour. So I've obviously already got my face makeup, eyebrows and everything else on, so we're just going to jump straight into the eyes. To start off with, I'm using the Hebe Cosmetics, this is the Chloe Elizabeth palette, and I'm going in with this centre shade just here, and I'm going to be popping this in the crease and then blending it upwards. And to blend this in, I'm using the Sigma E25 blending brush. I'll just zoom in a tiny little bit and then you can see what I'm doing. So I've just got this on my brush, and I'm just going to be blending this into the crease. If you've not seen any other looks me using this palette, then I will leave them linked down below. These eyeshadows are severely pigmented and give a lot of colour payoff straight away. So you do want to go in with a lighter hand and then blend it out. Then I'm going in with a fluffier brush and I'm just going to blend out the edges. This will just soften all of this up a little bit. But sometimes I would normally go in with a couple of different colours on my crease, but today I just wanted this to be the main focus of the eye look. I might go in with a slightly deeper shade, but I want this to be quite bright. So I'm happy with that, how it is at the moment, so I'm just going to do exactly the same on the other eye. I'm doing that stupid face movement again. God, it's so hard to try and not do it. So I'm starting out with this colour because it's kind of like a pinky kind of berry colour, and then I'm going to go in with another kind of purpley shade. Going in with my blending brush again. Just softening these edges up. Then I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill The Vault collection. I'm using the palette in Bling Boss and taking this shade right here, which is called Rockstar. And popping this just kind of more defined into the crease. I'm taking this on kind of a shorter, stiffer blending brush. So what this does, it doesn't blend the product up as just quite as much. Keeps it more where I want it to be. Popping this on the outer corner as well. See what difference that just makes? It's a bit more kind of purpley and berry now. Whereas if I'd just gone in on that deep shade on its own, then it would have come out too dark. Whereas this gives it a really nice kind of berry effect, which I really like. So do exactly the same on the other eye now. And I'm just using windshield wiper motions to buff all this in. Then I'm going in with this brush again, and I'm going in with the first shade that we used and lightly buffing this under the crease, under my lower lash line. I'm bringing it all the way into the inner corner as well. And you want to connect it up to what you've done on the outer corner up here. And then going in with a denser brush, and this is going to be more tightly packed closer to my lash line. Then for lid colour, I'm not going to be cutting out my crease because I think this is intense enough. For lid colour, I'm going in still with this palette and using the shade Ballsy, which is kind of like a purpley, kind of pinky colour. Popping this on the lid. And then to make it just a tiny bit look more intense, I'm just going to use the MAC Fix Plus and spritz my brush with it. Then for highlight, I'm going in with the Estate highlighter in the shade Do Me Up Lit. I'm taking this just on a shader brush, popping this just on the brow bone. And then on the inner corner as well to brighten that up. Then for mascara, I'm taking the Jordana Best Lash Extreme and just popping this on. And then for lip liner today, I'm going to go in with the MAC lip pencil in the shade Soar. Just zoom me back out. And then for lipstick today, I'm using the MAC lipstick in the shade Brave. Then I'm just going to be popping a bit of a lip gloss on today, and I'm using the NYX lip gloss in the NYX Mega Shine lip gloss in the shade Beige. And there we go. This is the finished look. I really like the way that it came out. I just kind of wanted something that would go with the top that I'm wearing today. It's just something a little bit different, and I just fancied a pop of colour. If you did enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button down below. And yeah, thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed so far. I really appreciate it, and I will just catch you in the next one. Alright, bye guys.